Hi, my name is Over Cuellar. I had 48 years old. I'm married with a son. I live in Hamdi, Valle del Cauca. I choose my comparison for the diagonal root A and diagonal root B. The diagonal root A, the chairs are blue, and the diagonal root B, the chairs are white. The diagonal root A is wider than root B. The diagonal root B looks less than a diagonal root 8. The diagonal root B has picture and diagonal root A does not. The diagonal root B present beautiful view that 8. The diagonal root B has window and diagonal root A does not. Thank you.